up guys, welcome back to another video. How are all you doing? I hope you guys enjoyed the last video. Today we have the 2017 Raptor finished in the Avalanche gray. So we're gonna take this out on the street, talk a little bit about it. It's not a brand new car, it's been out a little bit on the market, but I'll tell you guys my opinion on the car, the pros and cons, and a little bit about this beast. So guys, let's start out with the outside of the Raptor. This car, like I said, is finished in the gray. If you look at the outside of this car, you notice the fact that it has these LED lights all throughout the front of the grille and the full front of the car. The reason that being is because that when a car is wider than 80 inches, it's a state law that you have to have those lights because you are considered like a commercial vehicle. This car is the widest truck that is out on the market. Love the appearance of the front grille with the big Ford letters. This one has the Baja design upgraded aftermarket fog lamps right here that I think give it a really nice look, especially with the yellow finish on the gray paint job. Once you walk around and you look at the side of the car, these wheels are 17 inches and they're running 35-inch BF Goodrich tires. In my opinion, I think that these wheels are perfect, maybe a tad bit small. So if I was gonna do something, and again, this is my opinion, this is what I would do. I don't know if you guys wanna hear it, but I might put 20s and maybe 37s on it. Another great thing that I love about this car that gives it a really beastie look is the fact that if you look at the fender, the way that it's designed right here, and this whole curve right here, it gives it like a really wide flare look. And that's not only in the front, it's in the rear as well. So if we walk over here, you have the nice Raptor logos. And once we walk right back here, you're gonna notice that you have the same type of flare design on the rear of the truck, the Raptor logo. Now this truck is fully spec'd. I believe that he paid in the mid-high 90s for this particular Raptor. You walk to the back, you notice that the back lights have sensors right here in the bottom portion of the rear taillight. The rear taillight has a very nice design. He has the blacked out emblems, the hatch that opened up over here. Another cool feature about the Raptor is the rear step that opens up. You press this button right here and you have the rear step, and it folds all the way down, and it's easy access to your rear trunk, so you could put big luggages or whatever else you need to drive in this luxurious pickup truck. Also in the back of the truck, if you look, you have the big dual exhaust pipes. One thing that I'll talk to you guys about it when we're gonna start driving this truck is the fact that this truck actually comes with a 6-cylinder engine, and we'll talk a little bit about that when we take it out. It has the Fox Racing suspension. Nice side step right here, if you can see. All in all, this truck with the hood and its appearance, it's a Baja truck. It's a Baja truck that you could drive every single day and enjoy the hell of it. So let's walk around, get in the truck, take it out, talk about the engine, the drivetrain, and a little bit of the options inside the truck. So we're in the Raptor, and I want to start off this video by saying, do you guys know this saying, don't ever judge a book by its cover? What does that relate to the Ford Raptor? Well, when the Ford Raptor second generation came out and they replaced the 6.2 liter V8, they put a 6-cylinder. So this truck that we're in right now is a twin turbo 6-cylinder 3.5 liter engine that comes equipped with a magnificent 10-speed automatic transmission. 6-cylinder in such a big truck that weighs close to 6,000 pounds? Yes. So this truck has 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. Makes this truck go 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds. Let's get into detail of the Raptor that I'm in right now. Honestly, the amount of luxury that you get in this truck the amount of room and compartments that you get all throughout the truck. If you want to put your kids, your family, your friends, and you want to go ride your jet skis, or you want to go off-roading, it has plenty of room inside. It has room in the rear cab. I mean, the luxurious features that this truck has. It has 6 different modes in regards to driving it. So if you're going into your instrument cluster through your buttons on your steering wheel, where it says mode, you could decide if you're going to go off-roading in this, you want to go Baja. Yeah, it has a Baja option. So it is a Baja truck. So whatever you want to do, wherever you want to take this, off-road, on-road, freeway, daily, you can do anything you want with this truck. What do I not like about this truck? And this is my opinion. You don't have the sound of a V8. You don't have the sound of a turbo diesel engine. It's a 6-cylinder. It's quiet. It's fast. It's very fast for its size. It's very fast for its weight. But it's a 6-cylinder. Yeah, there are rumors that possibly in the near future we might get another V8 Raptor. That doesn't mean anything, because these trucks aren't being discounted. They're not depreciating in value right now. There's always going to be the market where the cars soften up a little bit, but you're not getting them for a bargain. You're not getting them for free. Now, in regards to the options inside, you have everything. There's so much luxurious options. There's so many options that you would never even think that a car would have. Like, I'm looking at my instrument cluster right now. I have a turbo PSI option that shows how much turbo boost I'm using. You could name your trailer. Yeah, you could go into your gauge, you could manually name your trailer, so the car will know that your trailer is named Stephanie, for instance. Sorry, Stephanie. It shows your angle of the car. It shows if your car is facing up, down, anything that you would possibly can imagine. Your instrument clusters show. The transmission, like I said, 10-speed automatic, shifts amazing. My honest opinion, this truck, with the amount of detail that they put in the design of the inside and out, even like I showed you guys, my friend, he put the Baja design awesome fog lights in the bottom, the yellow ones that I showed you. So if you look at your right above your mirror, so where the panel roof is, right above me right here, you have your aux 1 through 6 aux. And the reason that they pre-wire them is that if you are going to put a light bar, if you're going to put rear lights because you go camping or anything, you don't have to put like an aftermarket corny ugly light. You have this beautiful setup right here. You just plug in your lights and there you go. Guys, if you are in the market of a truck of this size, Raptor, you will not regret it. I'm telling you, this is the truck. Again, this is my opinion. I had the opportunity of driving this truck. I thank my friend very much for giving me this truck for a whole day, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want a Raptor, go ahead and get it. Well guys, thanks again for watching another video presented to you guys by the Mogul. We appreciate all your support. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe. And if you like this content, give us a comment down below. Tell us what you think. So we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.